Hey everyone, if you're selling digital products like courses or ebooks, you need a great funnel builder to turn clicks into cash. Today we're comparing two big names, ClickFunnels and System.io. Let's break them down and see which one's best for you. First, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has been around since 2014 and is super popular for building sales funnels. It's got a drag and drop builder, tons of templates, and features like one-click upsells and A/B testing to boost sales. It's great for creating landing pages, membership sites, and even webinars. Plus, it integrates with tools like MailChimp and Stripe. The downside? It's pricey, starting at $147 a month, and some say the templates feel a bit outdated. Now, System.io. System.io is newer, launched in 2017, and it's an all-in-one platform. You get funnel building, email marketing, course hosting, and affiliate management, all in one place. It's easy to use with a clean dashboard and free templates. The best part? It has a free plan and paid plans start at just $27 a month, but it lacks some advanced features like complex survey funnels or deep analytics. So how do they compare? Both are great for digital products, but they shine in different ways. ClickFunnels is powerful for big businesses or marketers who want fancy features like upsells and detailed reporting. It's ideal if you're scaling fast and don't mind the high cost. System.io is perfect for beginners or small businesses on a budget. Its free plan and low-cost options make it easy to start without breaking the bank, although it's simpler and misses some advanced tools. Who wins? If you're just starting out or want to save money, go with System.io. It's affordable and does everything you need to sell digital products. If you're a pro with a bigger budget and need advanced features, ClickFunnels is your pick. Choose based on your budget and business size. Thanks for watching. Let me know which one you'd pick in comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.